Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is the Fractal Visions website, and this is going to be a short walkthrough on the Peeranha peer-to-peer education platform, which you can find on our docs tab on the website. If you go to the hamburger tabs and then go to docs, it'll drop down and you'll see Q&A forum for the question and answer forums on Peeranha. You go ahead and go over to Fractal Visions community on Peeranha, and you'll find our main feed here. The discussions on the left side, expert Q&A, tutorials, and the different tags that we have for our community, as well as the project overview and documentation that will lead you to some more information about Fractal Visions project. So you want to basically engage with these posts, and all of the information is recorded on chain. Right now it's on Polygon network. There may be other networks that Peeranha will expand to with their on-chain kind of engagement here for community activity and questions and answers. And we'll go ahead and just start with the discussions that we have lined up. The first one that I posted was the Fractal Visions NFT Marketplace. This is just our basic mission statement here, and you can see some of the answers that have been provided from members in the community, and each one of these members has points next to their name, as well as a little badge that shows how many NFTs they get for the points that they're getting on Peeranha platform. So yeah, this is a soul-bound NFT that they're receiving for answering questions on the platform, and it represents their activity, which is all recorded on chain with each question and answer, and even the upvotes on the answers themselves. Now, if you receive a downvote on one of your answers, it will actually take away from your points. So you want to be careful with what you write on the question and answer forum, and you want it to have some validity to it. It needs to be accurate, and it needs to be understandable and legible with what you write on the Q&A forums. So let's go ahead and step back to our discussions. The next discussion that we have posted is for the Optimism attestation station. And what this is additional tooling that we're going to be including on top of the Fractal Visions NFT Marketplace. We're using the Peeranha NFT forum to let our users provide ideas and feedback for the product development of this attestation station. And this is just one of the products we are developing for the Fractal Visions ecosystem. So Peeranha acts as a great place for us to get feedback and discuss some of these topics with our community. Let's see, the next post here is by one of our community members, and we encourage all of our community members and others who want to join the ecosystem and learn about the ecosystem to post and comment back and forth on this peer-to-peer education network on Peeranha with the other members that are part of our community. And they will help answer back, and someday maybe you'll be answering back questions of new members that are joining the community as well. And this can be any language. So we have a very wide reach of users from all over the world, and it can be any language. It does not have to be English. We will translate and answer back the best we can. and hope that that is accurate when we're translating. The next section that we're going to go to over here is the expert Q&A. This is one thing that you want to keep in mind, the Fractal Visions community code and how you structure your posts, how you respond, and just some basic guidelines to kind of add value to the conversation here on the question and answer forums. So yeah, just remember that we will remove any questions that lack structural integrity, and we want to see some detail, and any kind of compliment is okay. Of course, we're not going to remove stuff like that, but if it doesn't make sense or we can't quite understand exactly why it was posted, we'll go ahead and remove it, and keep the forums as clean as we can. Another section that we have is the tutorials, and one of our first tutorials, for instance, we have how to delegate OP tokens, and kind of how that works with the optimistic vision from Optimism, and a step-by-step process on how to delegate your OP tokens. So yeah, this is just one of the examples of how our community ecosystem works on Peeranha. These are some of the tags that we have for different topics, and some of the expert Q&A and the discussions that we have here on the forums as well. And if you need to find out more information about our project, you can go down to the documentation and go to the project overview. And this will take you here to where you can access our basic project documentation. And that will take you to that website, where you can explore further about Fractal Visions NFT Marketplace, and be able to help answer other questions that people might have on the Peeranha forum itself. So yeah, that's our basic introduction to the Peeranha forum and Fractal Visions community for the questions and answers. And I hope that helps everybody, and we're really excited to see everybody get involved and engaged with our community. So thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.